Well, we got about 150 elk spotted over here. We're just right alongside the freeway. And it is on private ground, but it's a good start. Good start to our hunting trip. We've been on the phone with some fish and game and biologists. See if we can't go down and get a bull. I just got my brother's with us. We're setting up the camper. It's nice day. We're just gonna get our hunting clothes on and go do some glassing up here. Well, this is central Montana for you. Absolute blizzard out. We can't see more than 100 yards. It broke once on us and we were able to see a little bit, and I thought I saw some elk in the distance, but it was hard to tell if it was elk or horses or what. We're just kind of going up a ridge. So we're just going to build a fire here, wait a little while, see if it'll break. If it won't, we might do some timber pounding a little bit later in the day. Got a nice fire going here. This aspen burns good. Well, we haven't seen so much as a track this morning, but we just tried this new spot. As you can see, this morning it was just a blizzard. But now it's nothing but blue sky. We're just weaving in and out of these little draws. There, we're probably 5 miles back right now. I think I got a good feeling about today, though. Weather turned out nice. I think they're going to be moving here in a little while. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, let's bowl. Let's get ready. Getting dialed in here. We're waiting for this bull to stand up. Just bedded right behind that blowdown. We're hoping he's going to stand up before this storm rolls through. Looks like a legal bull. There's a spike right below him. There might be another. We're going to get the other gun set up just in case a bigger one walks out. Trevor will take him. 840 yards. Now give it a 5-minute wind. Give it 2 minutes for wind, Tom.
2 dashes?
Yep, 2 dashes. So you're gonna aim in front of the elk. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Aim into the wind. 2 dashes. Okay, hold on.
Okay. Okay.
You can go ahead and take them if you want.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. The wind picked up a little. Hold on. Yeah, it's really blowing now.
Okay, got a good shot right here, Trav.
Okay.
Ready? I'm taking him.
Take him. Hold on. He's gonna walk. Don't shoot. Wait for him to bring his head up.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Hold on, he's walking. Hold on. He's not going anywhere. No hurry.
My fingers are burning.
Okay.
Get him.
Yep. Get another one in it. Another one in it. There's.
Up behind him.
What is it, Trevor?
Small one, smaller. 3x3. No, wait. Could be.
Okay.
The one behind him's bigger 4x or bigger
5x5. Yeah,
Shoot
it's
the,
bigger
shoot the one in
5x5.
front of him. The one that's behind the tree is the one you shot already.
Okay.
He's going down.
Yep, he's down.
He's down. Trevor, you don't want that other one?
No.
You got him, Tom.
Sweet deal.
What do you think, Tom? $840 yards, brother.
840 yards.
Nice. That's what we want. One shot kills.
Yeah.
Nice shooting. Nice shooting,
man.
Tom.
So
Trevor was ready.
Yeah.
He was ready for a 6-point. And a 5-point walked out. Otherwise, we'd have had a double header.
Yeah, big bachelor this time of year.
Well, as you can see, there's a dead bull up there. I can see his head underneath his body.
Yeah.
Good job, Tom.
Thank you.
850 yards with a 7-mile-an-hour crosswind from left to right. The wind was howling pretty good up there. We judged it for about a 5, and it ended up being about a 7. I saw looked like the bullet hit just behind the shoulder, but we knew just, you know, given it 2 minutes of angle, his crosshair was just in front of the elk's neck, so we knew the wind would blow it right in there somewhere. And it all worked out, didn't it, Tom?
Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. Coming home with some meat.
Yep, not coming out of Montana empty-handed.
That's right.
After shooting something at 840, that seems like cheating, doesn't it, Tom?
Yeah, seems like archery range.
Tom smoked this bull 840 yards, 7-mile-an-hour crosswind. Just hit it right behind the crease here. There's a little bit more wind than we anticipated, but good shot. Took him down in one shot. Hit a double lung. His burger bullets really did the trick. He didn't live long at all.
Yeah,
Good shooting, Tom.
thank you. I'm pumped.
Yeah.
Shot at 840 yards. The farthest I've ever shot an animal. I'm glad we were able to do it. I'm glad we were able to make it happen and put this bull elk down. This is like
Coming home with some meat.
coming home with some meat.
Mom's gonna be happy.
She sure will. This is the third bull elk I took down this year. I killed 2 during archery season, a 5x5 and a 6x7. But there's a different kind of a feeling of accomplishment when you're shooting a long-range rifle. It's just that rush of actually being able to put an animal down at such a far range, and so, you know, that was really exciting. And my heart was going. Had to calm myself down a few times just to relax and let the gun do the trick. And it did.
Yep.
Put her down.
Up here, 3 brothers. 3 brothers that stuck in the rut, making it happen. Boned out and packing out. It's about 4:30. It's gonna get dark on us soon. We're about 5 miles from the pickup. We're figuring up. Tom had 9.5 feet of bullet drop and 32 inches of wind drift at that range.
Yeah.
Good job. Head him out.
All right.
It's getting dark. Just got back, Tom. How do you feel?
I feel like I've accomplished something today.
That was a long trip out.
Yep.
7 o'clock. We just got back. We are loading up and heading home. Got one bull.
Look at the size of that thing. It just hangs out of there.
Yeah, I know it. Look at those eye guards. I don't even want to peek over and see how big it is. Well, that's all you're getting.